Are you feeling lost, overwhelmed, or unsure of how to navigate life's challenges? Do you find yourself constantly seeking solutions but feeling like you're spinning in circles, trapped in a cycle of uncertainty? If so, you're not alone. Welcome to the Ultimate Stoic Guide on How to Fix Your Life. In this video, we'll delve into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy practiced by ancient sages and modern thinkers alike. Here, we offer more than just words. We offer a guiding light to lead you out of the darkness. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation as we explore the profound teachings of Stoicism. But before we begin, make sure to watch till the end for the complete roadmap to a more fulfilling existence. 1. Mastering control. Learn to focus on what's within your control, releasing anxiety over what isn't. Stoicism teaches us to differentiate between what we can influence and what we cannot. By directing our energy towards the things we can change, we free ourselves from the burden of worrying about the rest. This shift in perspective empowers us to take decisive action, leading to a greater sense of agency and peace of mind. Remember, while we cannot always control external events, we can always control our response to them, and therein lies our power to shape our own destiny. When faced with challenges, Stoicism encourages us to ask ourselves, is this something I can change? If the answer is yes, we focus our efforts there. If not, we accept it and adapt accordingly, channeling our energy towards productive endeavors. 2. Pursuing virtue. Embrace virtues like wisdom and courage as the foundation of a fulfilling life. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of living in accordance with virtue, which encompasses qualities such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By cultivating these virtues, we align ourselves with what is morally good and virtuous, leading to a life of integrity and purpose. Wisdom guides us in making sound decisions and understanding the nature of reality, while courage empowers us to face challenges with resilience and determination. Justice ensures fairness and equity in our interactions with others, while temperance helps us maintain balance and moderation in our desires and actions. Embracing these virtues allows us to live authentically and in harmony with ourselves and the world around us. 3. Accepting impermanence. Find peace in the impermanent nature of life, embracing change with grace. Stoicism teaches us that change is not only inevitable, but also a fundamental aspect of existence. Nothing in life remains static. Everything is subject to flux and transformation. By embracing this reality, Stoics advocate for accepting impermanence as a natural part of the human experience. Instead of resisting change or clinging to stability, Stoicism encourages us to flow with the currents of life, adapting to its ebbs and flows with grace and resilience. This acceptance liberates us from the anxiety and fear associated with uncertainty, allowing us to find serenity in the face of life's constant evolution. Rather than viewing change as a threat, we can perceive it as an opportunity for growth and renewal. By cultivating an attitude of acceptance towards impermanence, we can navigate life's transitions with greater ease and find inner peace amidst the ever-changing landscape of existence. 4. Building resilience. Building resilience is a fundamental aspect of Stoic philosophy, emphasizing the importance of developing inner strength to withstand life's inevitable hardships. Stoicism teaches us that setbacks and challenges are an inherent part of the human experience, and rather than viewing them as obstacles, we should see them as opportunities for growth and learning. To build resilience, Stoics advocate for adopting a mindset of acceptance and adaptability. Instead of dwelling on past failures or becoming consumed by adversity, Stoicism encourages us to focus on what we can learn from our experiences and how we can use them to become stronger. This involves cultivating a sense of inner resilience that allows us to bounce back from setbacks with renewed determination and resilience. Stoic practices such as negative visualization and premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils, can also help build resilience by preparing us mentally for potential challenges and setbacks. By envisioning worst-case scenarios and mentally preparing ourselves to face them, we develop the emotional fortitude to navigate difficult circumstances with greater ease. Furthermore, Stoicism teaches us to maintain perspective in the face of adversity, recognizing that setbacks are often temporary and do not define our worth or potential. 5. Harmony with nature. Harmony with nature is a central concept in Stoicism, emphasizing the importance of aligning our goals and actions with the fundamental principles of the universe. Stoics believe that the universe operates according to a rational and ordered structure, and by living in harmony with this natural order, we can find greater fulfillment and contentment in our lives. To achieve harmony with nature, Stoicism encourages us to cultivate an understanding of the underlying principles that govern the universe. This involves recognizing the interconnectedness of all things and acknowledging our place within the larger scheme of existence. By embracing this interconnectedness, we can align our goals and actions with the natural flow of events rather than resisting or struggling against them. One way to align with the natural order is to cultivate a mindset of acceptance and equanimity towards life's ups and downs. Stoics teach us to embrace the inevitability of change and uncertainty, recognizing that resistance only leads to suffering. Instead of fighting against the currents of life, we should strive to adapt and flow with them, trusting in the wisdom of the universe to guide us. Furthermore, harmony with nature entails living in accordance with virtue and moral principles. Stoicism teaches us that true happiness and fulfillment come from living a life of virtue, characterized by qualities such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. 6. Perspective shift. Shifting perspective is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, advocating for a transformative outlook on life's challenges. Instead of viewing obstacles as insurmountable barriers, Stoicism teaches us to perceive them as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. By reframing our perspective in this way, we can shift from negativity to positivity, empowering ourselves to overcome adversity with resilience and determination. One of the key teachings of Stoicism is the concept of the view from above, which encourages us to take a broader perspective on our circumstances. This involves stepping back from our immediate concerns and considering the bigger picture, recognizing that our current challenges are just a small part of a larger journey. By adopting this broader perspective, we can gain clarity and insight into our situation, enabling us to approach obstacles with a more balanced and rational mindset. Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of maintaining an internal locus of control, focusing on what is within our power to change, rather than dwelling on external factors beyond our control. By shifting our focus away from external circumstances and towards our own thoughts and actions, we can regain a sense of agency and empowerment, even in the face of adversity. 7. Self-discipline. Self-discipline lies at the heart of Stoic philosophy, representing the ability to govern one's desires and impulses in pursuit of a higher purpose. Stoics believe that self-discipline is essential for achieving virtue and living a fulfilling life. It involves cultivating the strength to resist temptations and distractions, staying focused on long-term goals, and acting in accordance with moral principles, even in the face of adversity. To cultivate self-discipline, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing our desires and impulses. This involves recognizing that many of our desires are fleeting and ultimately lead to dissatisfaction and unhappiness. By practicing self-awareness and mindfulness, we can become more attuned to our desires and impulses, allowing us to evaluate them rationally and choose the most virtuous course of action. Stoicism also teaches us to embrace discomfort and adversity as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. By willingly subjecting ourselves to challenges and discomforts, we can strengthen our willpower and develop greater resilience in the face of adversity. This involves cultivating a mindset of perseverance and determination, refusing to be swayed by momentary discomfort or difficulty. 8. Gratitude practice. In Stoic philosophy, gratitude is regarded as a powerful practice for fostering contentment, resilience, and a deeper appreciation for life. It involves acknowledging and expressing gratitude for the blessings, both big and small, that we encounter in our lives. Stoics believe that cultivating a sense of gratitude helps us shift our focus away from what we lack towards what we already possess. leading to greater satisfaction and fulfillment. One of the key teachings of Stoicism is the principle of sympathia, which emphasizes our interconnectedness with the world around us. By recognizing the contributions of others to our well-being and acknowledging the countless blessings we receive on a daily basis, we can develop a profound sense of gratitude for the richness of life. Gratitude practice in Stoicism involves actively seeking out opportunities to reflect on and appreciate the positive aspects of our lives. 9. Emotional mastery. In Stoic philosophy, emotional mastery is considered essential for achieving inner peace, resilience, and virtuous living. It involves learning to regulate our emotions effectively, avoiding reactive responses, and cultivating a sense of inner tranquility amidst life's ups and downs. Stoicism teaches us that while we cannot always control external events, we have complete control over our internal reactions to them. By developing emotional mastery, we can cultivate a sense of inner stability and equanimity, regardless of the circumstances we face. One of the central tenets of Stoic emotional mastery is the concept of apatheia, which is often misunderstood as a state of emotional numbness or indifference. However, apatheia in Stoicism refers to a state of inner calm and serenity that arises from mastering our emotions and aligning them with reason and virtue. It does not mean suppressing or denying our emotions, but rather understanding them and responding to them in a rational and constructive manner. To cultivate emotional mastery, Stoicism advocates for practices such as mindfulness and self-awareness. By observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we can develop greater insight into our inner workings and learn to recognize patterns of reactivity and impulsivity. Through regular mindfulness meditation and reflection, we can train our minds to respond to situations with greater clarity and composure. 10. Mindful living. In Stoic philosophy, mindful living is regarded as a cornerstone of virtuous and fulfilling existence. It involves being fully present in each moment, savoring life's richness, and cultivating a deep sense of appreciation for the beauty and complexity of the world around us. Mindful living in Stoicism is rooted in the practice of prosoph, or attention, which involves paying deliberate and non-judgmental attention to our thoughts, feelings, and experiences as they arise. By cultivating this heightened awareness, we can develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us, leading to greater clarity, insight, and wisdom. One of the key teachings of Stoic mindful living is the concept of premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. This practice involves reflecting on the inevitability of challenges and difficulties in life, and mentally preparing ourselves to face them with courage and resilience. By acknowledging and accepting the impermanent nature of existence, we can learn to appreciate the preciousness of each moment and live with a greater sense of urgency and purpose. Stoicism also teaches us to cultivate mindfulness in our daily activities, such as eating, walking, and interacting with others. By bringing our full attention to each moment and savoring the sensory experiences it offers, we can cultivate a deeper appreciation for the richness and beauty of life. This involves being fully present with our senses, noticing the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures of the world around us, and allowing ourselves to be fully immersed in the present moment. By incorporating these Stoic principles into your daily life, you can embark on a transformative journey towards self-mastery and fulfillment. Remember, the path to fixing your life begins with a single step, and with the wisdom of Stoicism as your guide, you have the power to create the life you truly desire. Thanks for watching, and until next time, embrace the Stoic way of life and thrive. Thank you very much for your time.